Give the people what they want. Well.
What up, Zoom Tribe? Welcome back to another episode of Zoom to Thailand. Today, I got a good one for you. Why Thailand is the perfect destination to visit after a divorce or a bad breakup. I can tell you firsthand, after dealing with an unstable woman in the Matrix, it's a breath of fresh air dealing with women with traditional software. Me personally, the last thing on my mind was to jump back into another relationship. I was on a search and destroy mission. I was condo shopping, planting my Airbnb flag, enjoying the peace of it all. And that's what I tell you guys in my consultations. Don't rush into anything. Don't force anything. It's going to happen organically. So if you come off of a divorce or a bad breakup, the last thing you need is jumping straight back into a relationship. Enjoy the history. Take in the culture. Taste the food. Learn the language. It's not a race to get into a relationship when you travel overseas. First, you find your happiness and inner peace. Then watch how everything else falls into place. So if you're feeling a little heartbroken and in need of some healing and adventure, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get it! Come on. I'm the Travel O.G, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man, Richie Mack, the Travel O.G. Thailand offers an incredible atmosphere that can help you heal and get your swagger back. After I broke up with my ex, I was so depressed, I had to look at old pictures of myself just to remember who I was. The vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and warm-hearted people in Thailand make it a perfect place to rebuild your confidence and rediscover your happiness. One of the best ways to heal after a bad breakup or divorce is to reconnect with nature. Thailand is blessed with breathtaking natural beauty, from stunning beaches and crystal clear waters to lush jungles and majestic waterfalls. Exploring these wonders can provide a sense of peace and reawaken your spirit. Thailand is also renowned for its mouth-watering cuisine. Indulge in the rich flavors of Thai food, from fiery street food and delicate aromatic dishes. In Bangkok, they have the biggest lobsters I've ever seen. They look like puppies. Exploring the vibrant street markets and trying new dishes can be an exciting and delicious way to experience the local culture and uplift your mood. Another thing to make you feel good is when you get funky fresh. Nothing feels better than getting fitted up with your own shape, size, and color. Off the rack is cool, but when you get to choose your own material, custom fitted to your size, for the same price or even less, your mood will actually start to change as you're being fitted. My man Lucky Taylor in Pattaya will go out of his way to make sure you have the best experience getting your custom fitted on. This dude makes my custom Zoom to Thailand outfits in-house. Now, I gotta be honest, some of the materials are wild and 420 inspired, but you have so many different colors and patterns to choose from. Lucky will even come to you for a fitting. Not that Lucky, this Lucky. Lucky Taylor is also part of the packages for Zoom Fest 2024. As of now, Lucky Taylor is the official tailor shop of Zoom to Thailand. You can find Lucky Taylor at the Night Bazaar on 2nd Road. Make sure to tell them Zoom sent you for an additional discount. And of course, like I say in every consultation, the first thing I want you to do after you get settled in is go and get yourself a massage. After a bad breakup or divorce, it's essential to take care of yourself. Thailand is famous for its traditional Thai massages, spa treatments, and wellness retreats. Pamper yourself and let the soothing hands of Thai experts help you relax, unwind, and find your inner peace. And if you want to go even deeper than that, Thailand is a land rich in culture and spirituality. Immerse yourself in the enchanting world of Thai traditions, such as ancient temples, bathe with the elephants, and witness colorful festivals. Exploring the spiritual side of Thailand can contribute to your personal growth and provide a sense of tranquility. This is a guaranteed way to find your inner peace and mental health, and could lower your blood pressure. To fully experience the post-breakup journey, it's important to step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Flights around Thailand are super affordable, and each city in the Land of Smiles is completely different. Thailand offers a wide range of thrilling adventures, such as ziplining through the rainforest, experiencing the full moon party that happens once a month, or sitting with live tigers. Now, full disclosure, I'm not sure what they give these tigers to make them so chill, but if you're a thrill seeker, this is an excellent option. Also, exploring vibrant night markets. These experiences will not only boost your confidence, but also create lasting memories. If you're enjoying my content and you'd like to support the channel, make sure to join the Patreon. The content is free, but like all of us YouTubers, we put our heart and soul into this. So in the words of the Angry Man, make sure to hit the Cash App and support the show. And if you're serious about coming out here or seriously consider heading overseas, the network I have in these YouTube streets is unparalleled. We have all the major markets around the world with someone who can give you some sound advice. You got Andre and BMT in Colombia. You got Skylar and El Guapo in Brazil. You have Austin over there falling in love in Europe. You have the Black Filipino, Mike's Philippine Journey, as well as Sunshine Shoulders in the Philippines. And of course, you have Chocolate Man in Thailand and the Travel O.G holding it down here. Take advantage of the consultations guide. You will not find anyone on YouTube saying the consultations were not worth it. We record the conversation. It will also save you time and money. But if you're gonna travel, travel smart. Learn from our mistakes. Take the shortcuts to the front of the line. Thailand is an incredible destination to visit after a divorce or a bad breakup. And another thing, it's not just about divorce or bad breakups. People who are single, looking to explore the world, or looking for love, this place has it all. Thailand's natural beauty, delicious cuisine, spiritual traditions, respect for others, and exciting adventures offers the perfect environment for healing and self-discovery. Remember, you deserve happiness, and Thailand is here to help you find it.
With your phone. Oh, yeah.
Shut up, Chuck. Cop con cop.
10 you 10 baht.
You keep.
No, no.
You keep. Yeah. Cop con cop. See you tomorrow. Well, hello. Sweaty cop. You're not Thai.
Yeah, I'm Thai.
Wait a minute. Yeah, wait. You Thai, Ding Ding?
Yeah.
You look Vietnam. My Vietnam?
No.
Ben Con Thai?
Yeah, พูดไทยกับป้า
Be Chanchu one.
อ๋อ
Who for
สวัสดี
you?
ค่ะ
You my one.
Yeah, อ้วน
What's your name?
ฟิว
I can't make this up. All you have to do is be respectful. How hard is that? You know what I'm about to say, right? Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, Travel O.G with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, Travel O.G, let's go.
Y'all know what time it is. It's time to give y'all the information, pricing, and rundown for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 or 3 cities, depending on your package, 1 special island, and embracing the thrill of a lifetime. This is a private annual event for my Zoom tribers and subscribers, and we're knocking $500 off all packages for the first 50 people paid in full before March 1st. Choose any one of 3 packages that can fit your lifestyle. First, we got the Ballin' on a Budget package, a no-frills way to enjoy the beauty of Thailand. The Ballin' on a Budget package comes with non-stop activities, transportation from the airport to your hotel in Bangkok, as well as a trip with the Travel O.G from the Bangkok to Pattaya. Although this is our most basic package, it still includes non-stop activities, a 3 or 4-star hotel stay on or near the beach, as well as your own custom-made Zoomtothailand shirt, 3 massages, and a haircut at Suni's Barbershop. Packages starting at $47.99 to purchase before March 1st. Military and Patreon members get an additional 5% off of this package. Next, we got the Hangover package. For those who want to go on a wild ride and have the option of visiting the Philippines as well as Thailand, in this package, you have the option of sharing a room with a buddy for the double occupancy rate, or you can have the Hangover package all to yourself. This is our most popular package, so make sure you get your plenty of rest and eat your Wheaties, you dig? The Hangover package also includes transportation to and from the airport, a tailor-made suit, or an outfit of your choice, of the material of your choice with your name on it, as well as a matching tie, pocket square, and a custom-fitted shirt with your initials on the sleeve. But that's not all. You'll also have exclusive entrance to the private yacht party, 4- and 5-star hotel stays in the Philippines, as well as Bangkok and Pattaya. But there's more. You'll also have access to the private dinner symposium where you can meet and speak directly with Thai lawyers, real estate agents, and professionals giving you the latest and greatest info on starting a business, extended stays, moving, or retiring in Thailand. To me, this is the best part of the package, starting at $59.99 for the double occupancy rate if you get your payment in before March 1st. Now, for those of you who are used to the finer things in life and you enjoy your privacy, this package is for you. The James Bond Executive Platinum Package. This package includes just about everything with all the bells and whistles. 5-star hotel stays at the best hotels in the Philippines, Bangkok, and Pattaya. You also have the option of an additional stay at the private island, and you have access to exclusive private events only included in the James Bond Platinum Executive Package. You'll also have the option of private transportation to all major events. You'll have the option for 3 tailored suits with the material of your choice with Lucky Tailor, one of the best in Pattaya. Lucky Tailor will come to your room for your initial fitting. But wait, there's more. On top of everything included in the Hangover package, in the James Bond package, you also have your own personal money penny, aka concierge service person, to pick you up from the airport and any additional questions that you might have, and will be on call for your first few days in Thailand. This is all included with the James Bond package, by the way. But there's more. If you decide to extend your stay in Thailand past your 30-day visa, we will arrange your visa extension through Thai immigration at no additional cost. And finally, on your last night in Bangkok, you will take a trip on the Chao Phraya River for a dinner night cruise for you and a guest. All of this is included in the James Bond Executive Platinum Package. And of course, all packages come with a private one-on-one consultation with the Travel O.G, so I can help you fine-tune your trip for maximum results. The price for the James Bond Executive Platinum Package before March 1st is $85.49. Flight tips and taxes are not included. But in the consultation, I'll even help you with your flight arrangements. We also offer additional services, such as arranging your own private yacht party and any other special requests you might have. So what are you waiting for? Take advantage of the $500 off of any package. Payments can be made through PayPal or Cash App. Zoomtothailand. Part of the proceeds will go to a charity here in Thailand, and if you have any other questions, email us, zoomtothailand@gmail.com. Zoomfest 2024. Let's get it.